Flower is a beautiful. Flower is attractive. Flower is nice. When you come here, when you have come to see the scenery of the garden, the flower garden of Aftabnagar, the central point of Aftabnagar. My dear friends, I am attractive. I am attracted by the garden. Who thanks for who made the garden, the tea garden or flower garden. It's a flower garden, beautiful and attractive garden of the Aftabnagar central point. Very সুন্দর একটা চোখ জুড়িয়ে যায়, so nice and so beautiful, and I love and I like this garden. This is Aftabnagar, and my dear friends, you know the Aftabnagar 25 years ago, how condition of this area, how condition was this area, you know, and I know. Eye catching flower garden this is. সাজানো আছে একদম সুন্দর যারা এই বাসাবাড়িতে এইসব গাছ কিন্তু এই ফুলের গাছ নিয়ে যেতে পারেন আপনারা এখান থেকে। প্লিজ come here and check the flower tree from this garden.